Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Behind the Design. Today we're taking you through a character home we recently renovated in City Park called the Vintage Oasis. So these clients came to us with a very long wish list. They loved their neighborhood, they loved their home, the character of it, but they did not love the layout. The kitchen was really small, only one of them could cook at a time. They didn't have a master suite or an ensuite with a bathtub or anything. Their basement was really dark and not functional, so they had a pretty long wish list of wanting to transform the space and make it bright and airy, but also add functional spaces that really worked for their lifestyle. This home had many design challenges and construction challenges. When we actually demoed everything and got working on our plumbing rough-ins, we discovered that the plumbing had not been updated since 1929, when the home was originally built. So we ended up having to replace the stack, we had to replace lines out to the street. We literally jackhammered their entire basement, tore it all up, and were able to put all new plumbing lines in, get everything updated, up to code, and really get the space functioning. One of the most important parts of renovating a character home is maintaining the original feel of the house. So this home had beautiful moldings, baseboards, window casings, really nice interior doors with crystal knobs. So we were able to reuse those doors, just repainted them. And because we could not find any moldings off the shelf to match the original, our finisher actually came on site and custom built them with the windowsill and all of the original details to tie in perfectly with the existing trims. So when you enter this home, the front entry in a character home is really the way to set the stage. It initially had a really basic metal railing. It didn't tie in with the overall space, so what we did was build a pony wall to provide storage for a bench seat area, also provide some definition in that space, and then we added really nice wall paneling all throughout the front entry and going down the stairwell. This adds really nice texture and just fits with the character of the home. We replaced the original French doors that transitioned from the entryway to the living room with a really beautiful oak door in a really rich warm brown stain. This adds lots of light coming into the living room, keeps the space bright and airy, but also provides definition to the two spaces and also helps keep the cold out in the wintertime. When you enter the front door, you get a really great view of the overall space. The living room has a luxury vinyl plank flooring running throughout. It's a really rustic brown tone that matches very well with the character of the home. It's also very functional. The kitchen is one of the biggest transformations from the original home. We removed the peninsula that made it really closed off, and we added a full wall of tall pantry storage as well as the fridge. And then we did a really nice U-shaped design, which offers an eating ledge on the back side, really nice counter space. Now both of them can cook in the kitchen. And we did a really nice big new window looking out to the backyard that lets a lot of light into the space. And one of the most unique features in the kitchen would be the picket backsplash tile that we used. It's a really unique shape and it has 4 different textures. So it's a really interesting piece of art on the wall. One of my favorite parts of this kitchen is the brick chimney. When we first went to the house, we knew there was a chimney, it was covered in tile, we didn't know what would be behind, and at demo day we were pleasantly surprised to uncover beautiful red brick. One of our clients' favorite parts of this kitchen is definitely the microwave. We used what's called a drawer microwave. With a simple push of a button, the microwave opens right up for use, and it's very convenient. A really important wish list item for our clients was a master suite. We were able to reconfigure the half of the house with bedrooms so that there was a really functional spare bedroom and powder room. And then the majority of the space was left for master bedroom, a really nice walk-in closet with textured melamine shelving, and a beautiful ensuite. Our clients had a really long wish list for the ensuite, so it was a challenge to design. They wanted a toilet room separate from the rest of the space, a large shower, they wanted a tub, and obviously a vanity. So we worked really hard to create a functional space for them. We were able to accommodate a beautiful freestanding bathtub with air injection system, has a really nice wood planked feature wall tile behind it, and a large custom shower with body sprays, a really nice ledge for storage, and the toilet room, which is separate and has really nice shiplap detail. So it's a great space, it's really functional, but it's also very relaxing. We found a great hexagon floor tile with a couple different patterns, so very soft vintage feel again, but not too overpowering in a space that you really want to be relaxing. Our clients really wanted to relocate the laundry room. The existing laundry was in a dark, dingy space at the bottom of a really steep staircase, so we actually removed that set of stairs, which allowed more pantry space in the kitchen, and we relocated the laundry to its own room with ample storage. It's really functional for the clients. This was a really fun project to work on. We don't get to do character homes that often, but when we do, we really enjoy that challenge of blending the old with the new, mixing the materials, finding the rustic details, and really just updating and revitalizing a beautiful old space. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you got a little design inspiration for your own space if you live in a character home or if you're thinking about renovating one. There's so many great products out there now to really help revitalize those spaces, and we hope this helped you out. We'll see you next time.